Arrive in style with this Jeep 2018 Grand Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, GPS antenna input, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.